Day 2. We are on the road. It is
8:29.
Oh wow, I thought it was earlier than that.
No, we left
late. We left late because when we planned to leave at 6:30, it was major severe thunderstorm. So we waited and it's clearing up. We just hit a little bit of rain, but it is not bad at all. And we are so excited. We are 7 hours. It says 506 miles on Highway 70, 519 miles to the hotel. So we're in for a long haul today, and hopefully the weather stays nice and it'll make it for easy driving. There's not a lot of cars on the road, and it's beautiful out here. So beautiful. We really enjoyed Topeka last night.
I'm gonna move here.
So we shall see about that and the rest of the day. Join us. Stay tuned.
Oh, please don't put that in there.
I will. The rest of the day, the weather was amazing, and we got really excited right here because this is the first time that we have ever seen windmills like this in real life. Comment below, have you seen these? They are quite impressive. On the way, we pulled over in Hayes, Missouri, and we found this Goodwill, which was amazing. And it smelled so good in there, and they had some really nice collection, and so it was a nice little surprise because we hadn't planned on stopping here. It was just right on the side of the road, so it was perfect.
I think yes.
Look at that rust. I love it. That just has to get hooked in there.
We can like get pliers and open it up. Yeah.
We passed this little town and I had to pull over because my brother's name is Ellis. And then we were so quickly in Colorado. It was so much fun. We pulled over, jumped out, and did a quick little photo shoot. We were screaming at the top of our heads, and as soon as we had done it, other cars were pulling up behind us to do the same exact thing. We had so much fun. We were so excited to be in Colorado. And the landscape is so different here, and immediately we started seeing the mountainscape, and we passed Bennett, Colorado, which is where the workshop was going to be, which was kind of sad. We all wanted to stop there, and I thought, well, let's just go to the hotel and check in. Mistake number one. You won't believe what happened to us. I should have went to Carmen's first, and it would have saved the day. But we got to our hotel. We had a gorgeous view of the mountain. We went downstairs. We did some photo shoots. We were so pumped, so excited, and something horrific happened. My car refused to start. The battery died right in the front of the hotel. We could not believe it. We were standing there and nobody would help us.
So we just got to our hotel a few minutes ago, and we put our bags up. You know, we were getting ready to go to Bennett, where the event is, and the car won't start. So we're sitting in front of the hotel, and the car's dead. So we don't really know what to do.
Ask somebody.
We're keeping a positive mind, aren't we, Mom? Trying. So, we'll see what happens with the car. Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
And this is, mira, this is why you don't drink Coke, because it eats corrosion.
There's still stuff on it. Do we still need to do it?
No, I think that's
just
enough.
wait.
Yeah.
Okay. Do we wait? Okay, so we're not as stressed now, are we, Mom?
I don't think so. If I can get the car to start.
We're gonna let this sit for a little bit. We're gonna wait to start the car.
Arranca.
Okay, whatever that means. Okay, so the men that we were going to for help are not responding to our text, so we went to Google and it says to scrub all the rust and erosion off of it. Someone is calling. Hey. We went on Google and it said to scrub off the erosion and rust, so that's what we're doing now, and we're like wiping down the battery so it's not wet anymore. Well, it said to dry it off before turning it on because I was scared to turn it on. Nobody was answering me, and I didn't know what to do. Okay. Okay, so I can start the car. Why do you think it won't? Do it again, he said. Nothing.
That's all it does?
Yeah. We're gonna have to get somebody to look at it, he said.
It's Friday, and it's 4:30 p.m. We're in a strange town, and the mechanics shops are closing.
She's trying not to cry.
We're stuck. We're stuck for a couple of hours, so we're missing the first day of the event. Finally got a hold of AAA, and they're gonna be a few hours, and they're gonna send someone. So there's a restaurant up the street right here that we saw that was Mexican, and she was wanting Mexican, so I'm trying to chill out.
I said that Mexican will make all the problems go away.
I thought it was lemon drops. Oh, that was in Kansas.
That was in Kansas. We're in Colorado now.
Okay, so it is beautiful out. The weather's beautiful here. It's fresh and humid free, and it feels nice. So
BMWs that are really loud.
So anyway, we'll show you the hotel, and it's beautiful. The hotel was beautiful. The area is beautiful. There is nobody on staff that could help us. All the men walked by. Nobody said, "Can we help you?" I'm in a dress. Obviously we don't know what we're doing. We're just staring under the hood. Not one person offered to help us, but that's okay. That's okay. We're gonna still have fun. Satan will not destroy this weekend. Hello, can I get an amen?
If we did an extended stay in Colorado, I would be totally okay with it.
We are staying an extra day, so anyway. All right, guys.